Hey everyone, let's do a quick rundown of some key updates for the year. We've got some changes on mobile home loans. There's a new HELOC product. This one skips income verification and also the pretty cool Google Meet feature.
All right, sounds good. Where should we start? Mobile homes.
Yeah, let's kick off there. So main thing, these are only for primary residences.
Okay, primary only.
We're using tiered credit scores now. Core is 640 minimum. Silver needs 600 and bronze is 580.
Okay, 580 for bronze. Any difference with that one?
Yeah, for bronze, the loan amount has to be at least $65,000.
Okay. And the minimums for the others?
For core and silver, it's a $10,000 minimum loan.
10,000. Got it.
Yeah.
What about down payments and loan terms?
Minimum down is 5%. Pretty straightforward.
5% across the board.
Yep. And the maximum term is 300 months.
Okay. And DTI, debt to income ratios.
Generally, 48% max, but bronze gets a little extra, up to 50%.
Right, that makes sense with the slightly lower score maybe. Yeah. What docs do borrowers need to pull together?
It's the usual stuff, really. Driver's license, social security card.
Standard ID.
Exactly. Then 2 months of bank statements, like all pages.
All pages.
Proof of income, naturally. And we'll run a soft pull credit report.
Okay. Any immediate knockouts we should know? Ineligibility factors.
Definitely. No ITN borrowers for these. That's key.
No ITN.
Also, any unpaid judgments or charge-offs that aren't being handled, that's a no.
Right, compliance issues.
And recent bankruptcies are tricky. Depends on the tier, but think 3 to 5 years wait.
Okay.
Foreclosures within the last 48 months. Recent delinquencies, too. And just to stress again, no rentals, no business use, strictly primary homes.
Got it. Primary, clear credit, no recent major issues. How about loan amounts relative to price? LTV stuff.
Yeah, so the loan can go up to 125% of the sale price, and even higher in California, 145%.
Okay. And are there allowances for extra costs? Setup, closing?
Yes, there's an $8,000 allowance per site for setup for manufacturer options. Up to 45% could be used.
45%, okay.
And they can use up to 10% for closing costs or, rate buy downs.
Good flexibility there. What if it's a pre-owned mobile home?
Okay, for pre-owned, we need a tryout approved appraisal. Could be a desk comp or a full UR.
Right.
The value just needs to meet park rules or the appraisal number, whichever applies. Interestingly, sometimes we can waive the appraisal after they submit the initial forms.
Okay. Good to know. Any other internal notes for us? Things to keep in mind?
Yeah, a few things. Closing costs can be rolled into the loan. That's helpful.
Okay.
Income needs to cover double the park rent plus a $5 buffer.
Double park rent plus $5. All right.
Insurance coverage must meet or exceed the loan amount. And just a process point, all docs finalized at closing.
Got it. That covers mobile homes well. So this new HELOC, no income verification. Tell me about that.
Right. It's definitely different. So new HELOC option, no income docs needed.
And the rate?
It starts at 14%.
14. Okay.
And the specific no income version is only for primary homes.
Primary only again. What about investment properties?
We can do investment, but it's through a DSCR no ratio approach. And the LTV is 10% lower for those.
Okay. Different product structure. So
Yeah.
back to the no income primary. Key requirements. CLTV. Credit.
Max combined loan to value is 60%. So total debt against the home value.
60% CLTV.
What's out?
And credit score.
Minimum 700 FICO for this one.
700. 5 bar.
Yeah. And really important, this is a broker-only product, no rebate.
Broker only, no rebate.
Yeah.
Got it. Makes sense for that kind of niche product. Okay, finally, what's this about Google Meet?
Oh, yeah, this is pretty slick, actually. Google Meet now has real-time translation captions.
Live translated captions. Seriously.
Yeah, so if you're talking to someone, a client, maybe another team member who speaks a different language.
Like Spanish or Korean.
Exactly. Spanish, Korean, Chinese, a bunch of others. It provides live subtitles in your language.
Wow, that could be incredibly useful.
Totally. There's actually a quick video demo showing how it works. Definitely worth checking out to see it in action.
Hi, Camilla. Let me turn on speech translation. It's nice to finally talk to you.
Es bueno hablarte finalmente. No puedo esperar a alquilar tu casa.
Te vas a divertir mucho y creo que te va a encantar.
You're going to have a lot of fun, and I think you're going to love visiting the city. The house is in a very nice neighborhood and overlooks the mountains.
That sounds wonderful. Is the house
Eso suena
close to
maravilloso.
transportation,
¿Es la
or
casa
would you
cercana al
recommend
transporte
renting a car?
público o recomiendas alquilar un coche?
Hay un autobús cerca, pero
There's a bus nearby, but I would recommend renting a car so you can visit the nature and enjoy it.
That sounds great.
Eso suena genial.